This is Maryam from Crochet Triangle, and today we want to learn how to crochet this beautiful pattern. To begin, grab your yarn and make a knot and start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 12 plus 2 chains. For example, if you have 24 chains, add 2 more chains at the end to have 26 chains. Or if you have 36 chains, for example, add 2 more chains to have 38 chains. I made 24 chains to demonstrate. Now add 2 more chains. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into the second one. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 double crochets into the sixth one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 5. Make 1 single crochet into the sixth one. Chain 4 and repeat the process. Skip the next 5 stitches, make 3 double crochets into the sixth one. Skip chain 4, skip the next 5 stitches, make 1 single crochet into the sixth one. At the end of the row, skip the next 5 chains and make 1 single crochet into the last chain. This is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and add 2 more chains as our chain to space. Turn your project. We reached the group of 3 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets into the first and last one and 1 double crochet into the middle one. One, 2, 3, 1 in next, and 3 into the last one. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 1 double crochet into this single crochet. Chain 2 and repeat the process. 3 double crochets in first and last double crochet, 1 double crochet into the middle one, and repeat it until you finish the row. At the end of the row, when you chain 2, make 1 double crochet into the last single crochet. This is what we should have at the end of row 2. Row 3, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Turn your project. We reached the group of 7 double crochets. Make 3 double crochets into the first and last one and 1 double crochet in the stitches in between. And 3 into the last double crochet. Chain 1 and repeat the same process for every group of 7 double crochets. At the end of the row, when you made your last 3 double crochets into the last one, make 1 double crochet into the last double crochet. Our last double crochet is those 3 chains that we made at the beginning of row 2. we made 3 chains, then added 2 chains as our chain 2 space, but make the last double crochet into the 3rd chain, that's into the 5th chain. Okay, we had 3 chains plus 2, make it in that 3rd chain, and I'll be back when I finish this row. This is our project at the end of row 3. Row 4, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Turn your project and make 1 double crochet into this first double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets in total. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached the group of 11 double crochets. Skip the first 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 single crochet into the next one. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into this chain 1 space between the group of 11 double crochets, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 4 and repeat the process. I'm at the end of my row, almost, so skip the next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make 1 single crochet into the 6th one. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the end of the row, make 2 double crochets into the last double crochet. Our last double crochet was those 3 chains that we made at the beginning of row 3. Make it in that 3rd chain. So 1 and 2. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 4. Row 5, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Turn your project, make 3 double crochets into the 2nd double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, make 1 double crochet into the next single crochet, chain 2. We reached the group of 3 double crochets. Into the 1st and 3rd one, make 3 double crochets, and into the middle one, make 1 double crochet. Chain 2 and repeat the process. I'm at the end of my row, so make 1 double crochet into this single crochet, chain 2, and into the last 2 double crochets, make 3 double crochets into the first one, the one which is on the right side, and 1 into the last one. So 3 this one, 1, 2, 3, 1 into the last one. The 3rd chain of these 3 chains is the last stitch. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 5. Row 6, chain 3, and these 3 chains count as our first double crochet. Turn your project, and into the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, and make 3 double crochets into the last double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, we reached the group of these 7 double crochets. Into the first and last double crochet of this group, make 3 double crochets and make 1 double crochet into the stitches in between. Then chain 1 between each group of 7 double crochets, chain 1, okay? For example, when you make your 3 double crochets in first and 1 double crochet into each and 3 double crochets in last, then chain 1 and repeat the process. At the end of the row, you'll have 4 stitches left. Into this first stitch, the right one, make 3 double crochets, then into the last 3 double crochets, make 1 double crochet and we'll be done. And this is how it looks like at the end of row 6. Row 7, chain 1 and turn your project. Make 1 single crochet into the very first stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the chain 1 space between the group of our stitches, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached the group of 11 double crochets. Skip the first 5 stitches and make 1 single crochet into the 6th one. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat the process. At the end of your project, make 3 double crochets into this chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and make 1 single crochet into the last stitch. And this is the end of row 7. And from here we should repeat the rows. Row 8 is like row 2, row 9 is like row 3, row 10 is like row 4, row 11 is like row 5, row 12 is like row 6. And repeat the process until you reach the desired length. And this is the final result. Hope you like this tutorial and enjoy making this pattern. If you don't want to miss future tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll read your comments that you write down below. Share it with your friends and support me. See you next videos. Bye!